Well, all right. Material. Here's the material I'm going to use. I'm going to build a rifle rack to go on the wall. I got a couple, 3 or 4 lever action rifles I want to display. Some cedar. I bought from a fellow up east of, or that is north of here. Nice grain. It's a little thick, but I'll cut it down, make it work. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, we got about 1.25 inches. Yeah, right at 1.25 inches. We'll cut her down and see how it works. Let me get set up, do a little cutting. How this is gonna lay. Let's see. We're gonna do this side here. It's gonna be there, somewhere in this area. You can see. Let's see where that lines up at. Let me get all the way through it. How about it? Both sides. Here. Redwood. Beautiful pieces. Beautiful pieces. That's the way it'll stack up, maybe. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Beautiful pieces. And that looks like that'll be my rack across the top. Have to measure that, set that down a little bit. Several pieces. That'll look pretty nice. I got a nice piece there too. Base. That'll be our top piece to 5 inches. 5 inches. I need 1.5 inches off of that, right there. And 5 inches here. We're saying 5 inches there. Oh, actually, I need this on the bottom for my. Man, that'd be plenty. see. No, I won't either. Need 10 inches. Need 10 inches. That's the size I need right there. That ain't changing. That'll be my base. 36 here. Close enough for me. Close enough for government work. All right. That little piece will go there. This little piece will go here. Let's see what we got here. Somewhere in this neighborhood. The pieces are falling together. Those two. This is going to be my holes for my good ones. Oh, you know what? Let's leave this out. Hell yeah. Yeah, let's leave that out. We can cut them here. Now, either way it's gonna do. 36, 36. Let's come from this way and do 36. See what we got. Yeah, easy one. I'll go here. I believe this piece will go across the top here. It's gonna be a wide gun rack, isn't it? I think that'll do it though. I think that will do the trick. One of these will, but this one should do it. This one should do it. This base will go on the bottom. Perfect. Perfect. We're looking at the assembly. It's an 1.5 inch stock. We're going to cut it down to 3/4, maybe 7/16, 9/16, maybe 9/16. Let's see what we can do with it.